Hey, everyone, it's Margaret from the Prior Homestead. Come to you today. I know it's a little late, but today is Thankful Thursday. So today I'd like to ask you, what are you thankful for and why? It's really important to know the whys because if you're saying you're thankful for something, why are you thankful? What is it? Because it's too easy to say, someone asks you, what are you thankful for? And you say, I'm thankful for my family, and I'm thankful for my job, and I'm thankful that I woke up. How many things have you had that you said, okay, I'm thankful for all these? But why are you thankful? Why is it that you have all these things in your life, but you don't know why you appreciate that? Do the people around you know how much you appreciate them? Do you show yourself appreciation? It's important to go, okay, like for me, I'm thankful that I woke up this morning. I've had heart surgery in the past. My husband and I was in a really bad car wreck about 7 years ago and nearly killed him. And we're alive. We wake up every morning with aches and pains, him a lot more than anybody that I know. But he still gets up, he goes out, he works, or he does landscaping, and it's a lot of work. He does the remodeling on the houses we were talking about. That's a lot of work. And he hurts, but he's still thankful to have that job, to have that kind of work, to have that kind of freedom in his life. I'm thankful that he has that. He has always worked for himself. It's been a very, very, very rare occasion that he's ever tried working for anybody else. On maybe once or twice. The rest of the time, since we were married, that was back in '86, he's done his own thing. And it's worked for us. It's worked for him. It's worked for our family. I was a stay-at-home mom, and I have been so thankful for that. For me, I am so thankful that I was able to be at home with my family, with my children, getting my hands dirty, playing with Play-Doh, and making all kinds of homemade gadgets and goopy things, and just being able to spend time with them and teaching them about life, being able to be there to help them with their homework, being able to be there to see them when they have their first heartbreak, being there to see them when they graduate, and be so proud of these children that I brought into the world. I am so amazingly proud of that. Those are things that I'm thankful for. And I'm thankful because they're a part of my life. On every single day, I speak to my children. They message me or I message them, and it gives me and my family and my heart just so much joy. I'm so thankful for that. I'm thankful that I have as much in my food pantry as I do, because I know there are so many people that do without, and I hate that. It kills me to think about, okay, what could I do to help someone that has no means of their own. The money we have, it pays our bills. We might be able to go out to eat from time to time, McDonald's, but we enjoy life. We get out, we do gardening, we go fishing, we spend time with our family, we go camping, we go to water parks if we have the ability to do so. All those things we still do with all our family. I think we've had a total of 3 vacations without our children in 33 years. And we've loved it, but we love taking our kids. Yeah, so what if it can get messy? You know, everybody has different agendas on where they want to go, what they want to do. So what? It's all about enjoying the time you spend with your family. Okay, so you get through it. You work through it. So what? There are things that make memories. Every day when you wake up, you have a fresh start. Yesterday was yesterday. Last week was last week. And you have to remember that whatever happened, if you put enough thought and repair into it, it can be fixed. There are very, very few things in this life that cannot be fixed with enough love, compassion, sometimes hard work. Not everything takes hard work to fix, but sometimes. I want you to think, write down, when you first get up in the morning, what are you thankful for? And don't just write down just the first 3 things that come off the top of your head. Really think about it. Really think about what you are thankful for today. Who are you thankful for? And then I want you to take a few minutes to think of why. Why are you thankful for those things? Or why are you thankful for those people? What about those things or those people brings added strength and happiness and joy to your life? What is it? Think about it. Really put some thought into it. And then appreciate that. And then when you go through the day, you have this feeling of happiness. You might have a really crappy day. You might have to deal with really crappy coworkers. You might have a lot of traffic you have to deal with. You might come home and you're broken, having to count pennies. Been there, done that. But you still start your day full of happiness and love. Because you've been thinking about all the things, or even some of the things in your life that mean so much to you. It helps hold you accountable. It helps give you strength in who you are, of saying, okay, I have more than I claim to think or feel sometimes. When you think you have absolutely nothing, sit down for a few minutes and write down who's in your life. Why are they in your life? Especially the closest people. What do you own? What do you have? What are you thankful for? It changes your perspective of your life if you start making yourself remember what is important in your life and what you are thankful for, who you are thankful for. And if you're not thankful for those people in your life, why are they in your life? If you're not thankful for having, this little gadget, it's one of those humidifier things. If you don't appreciate it, if you're not thankful for it, thankful that you had the money to get it, thankful that you have it so you can watch it or use it, why do you have it? Things to think about. Thank you for visiting with us. I hope you come back. Please subscribe. I want to see some of y'all's comments. down here below. I want to see what you're thankful for. I want to know why you're thankful for them. And I want to tell you, from our home to yours, much love from us to you. Thank you for visiting. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Y'all have a great night, and I will see y'all on Scripture Sunday. Bye now.